the largest in the northern hemisphere. It is the third largest in the world. The largest one is in a cave system in Brazil. It's 3 times the length of this one, but it's not as heavy. The second largest one is in a cave system that supplies the water for the city of Beirut. It's slightly longer than this, but it is longer. Now this one is
third largest in the world.
From the ceiling to the tip, 7.3 metres.
Wow.
Okay?
It doesn't from here, no?
The left-hand side, as you can see, is shiny and wet, and you've got drops coming off the end of it. So the left-hand side is still growing, and it's grown at the rate of 1 millimetre every 100 years.
Oh my God. So how old is that now?
And the left-hand side, because it's still growing, is estimated to be 250,000 years old. The right-hand side, which is drier, and you'll see it more clearly when you go down the bottom of the cavern. There's no drips, so it's not growing any longer. Because the water has feeding that to make it grow, as the channel has got blocked. Okay?
Huh.
So the right-hand side is at least 500,000 years old.
Only.
Only. This little thing up here, that's not growing any longer either. There's no drips at the end. And that is estimated to be over 600,000 years. So it's a free-hanging stalagmite, which means it grows from the roof, the centre of the roof of the cave, and it is estimated to be 8 to 10 tonnes in weight. Okay? Now, 8 to 10 tonnes in weight, you ask yourself, what the hell is holding that up there? It's got a very small attachment. But when they, in 2006, 2007, when they were able to get in here after the passages were opened up, they brought in ground penetrating radar and they zapped the roof of the cave. And they discovered that it's like an upside down tree. This is the trunk, and up here, going off in all directions, got massive roots of the same council. They're very strong and very well anchored. Okay? It's a curtain formation. Again, you'll see that much more clearly when we go down into the cave.